Okay, next question. So, all right, the blue giant of the Orient, largest sapphire in the world. All right, it's got some mass and it wants a volume. All right, so a few things running through my head. One, they give us a mass, but they're asking for a volume. So that tells me we're going to need a density value somewhere. Density is our translation system going between the worlds of masses and the world of volumes. All right, let's see, and they want cubic centimeters. So, all right, so we need a density somewhere, and there might be some conversions along the way, some busy work of changing units. But let's see. When I start a chemistry problem, I'm almost always looking for an extensive property. Extensive meaning something like mass, weight, volume, where if you have more of something, then that number is going to go up. Okay, if I had one small cup of chocolate milk versus a huge gallon of chocolate milk, I have more chocolate milk in the gallon. Okay, we're not talking chocolate milk here. This is sapphires. All right, so an extensive property is usually going to have just one unit. All right, there it is. So I like to click and drag from the problem statement. All right, carats. 5 carats is 1 gram. That's one of those things, I don't remember that. I'm not a gemologist. But thankfully they provide that. All right, so we need to go, in order to use this density involving grams and cubic centimeters, I can't be in carats. So I need to get out of carats as soon as possible. So that cancels my carats. I have grams there. And it's 5 carats per 1 gram. Right? Yeah, 5 carats, 1 gram. All right. They're not asking for grams. We need to get the density involved. All right, so grams per cubic centimeter. If I drag this to the bottom here, it's going to put the grams in the bottom and the cubic centimeters at the top. So feel free to do that. If that feels weird to you, then you can do it manually. I don't really care. See, same outcome anyways. Grams cancel. All right, and it's 3.98. That's stuck with the grams. And we go like that. Okay. And then you should be able to get the answer from there. All right, hope that helps, and send me more questions if you have them. How do I turn this off?